I'm here in the Marriott in Islamabad. So I've just checked in and I've got this very spacious room. So lots of space in here. Let's have a quick look. So Marriott gown, slippers. Let's have a look. Safety deposit box. It's actually quite chilly, so there's small different things, dry cleaning. It's all pretty good. And then if you turn around, so you've got kind of a little desk over there, and then I don't know whether that's a little bit more of a superficial kind of thing there. Table with 2 chairs, bed, very comfortable. I've just sat down on it. And then big desk over here. And another chair there. I'll try and sit on all of the chairs and see what they're all like. I'll go through here, and I think you can put your bag on there. It seems like a strange place, but this is the bathroom. Sink here. All of the different things that you might need. Towels, scales, I'll stay away from them. Toilet in here and a shower. So pretty big, this place, and looks quite comfortable. Aircon's on, but I think, oh, and the thing that I didn't check for, hairdryer. I always look for that. Yeah, it's a little bit chilly at the moment in Islamabad, so we've come up north from Lahore, and so I might just knock that aircon off. It's on, what is it on, 23, and yeah, I'm just pretty chilly, so I might just turn that off now. But this is the one of the executive rooms here in the Marriott. We're staying for a couple of nights. We were actually supposed to be staying for 3, but the Saudi Crown Prince is taking over the whole hotel. Well, he's not here. His security and whole delegation of people while he's staying at the palace are going to be here. So we got kicked out. We got cancelled, but they dealt with it really well. They've given us some executive lounge access. Because we just leave for a flight that's very early in the morning, so we'll just stay in the executive lounge until we've got to go to the airport. But yeah, this seems pretty nice. Restaurants downstairs. Service was really good. A little bit slow on reception, but everything that you could kind of hope for in a hotel, and a lot of security. So we came to quite a bit of security, and it feels pretty safe, and just really nice, comfortable. And I'm gonna head to bed now because it is let me see what time, almost 10:15 at night, so another sort of late one, but I'll get a good amount of sleep. So this is the Marriott in Islamabad.